Hey, Buddy, Thomas here, and today we're going to go ahead and do some more maintenance here on the farm. So I've been working here with my dad quite a bit this weekend. We've already done all the maintenance on the sawmill. We changed out guide roller bearings, we changed out the drive belt, and just all in all, just a lot of work there. Today, as you see, we're working on our 718 planer. We're going to go ahead and change out the blades on the 718 planer. I recently ordered new blades. We have straight blades for this planer, and we're going to go ahead and change those out and show you all that process. It's pretty easy. It's just kind of tedious because you've got a lot of bolts and nuts and everything. Nuts you got to take off the bolts, excuse me. So another thing that's new, it should be next week or maybe the week after next, we're going to go ahead and we actually have a new planer on its way here. We went ahead and ordered a 725 with a helical head, so very excited about that. Now, I don't know, nope, of course it would be a different size. So the top ones here, these top bolts or nuts, excuse me, are 7/16. I need to go next size up. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the toolbox here and see. I'm gonna say it's probably a ½ inch is what it looks like. It is. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do a ½ inch. We've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've got 3 blades in here. So again, it's kind of a tedious job. You've got a lot of nuts you gotta take off and everything to get the job done, but we'll get it done one at a time, one little nut at a time. And
I think this one's too wide. I normally use another one, see if it's too wide to get in there.
It'll work.
Okay.
It'll work. Yeah, so that will work. Yeah, there is, what he's talking about, there is a tight little gap between there. Good and tight, or good and taped.
A knife would help.
A knife would help. Mr. Robert has given me a knife before, and it's not on me. There's only, did I only order 1 blade set? I thought I ordered 2. Let's see what the receipt says. Quantity 1. Okay, I guess I only ordered 1. And these are 94 bucks for this set of blades and everything. Shipping and handling is 23, so take that off. 60 some odd bucks there. So there you have it. You got your 3 straight blades right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a time lapse because, well, before I do that, let me go ahead and show you what this looks like, what we're working with inside here. So again, we've taken off all those nuts off the top. Now we have these nuts right here that we're gonna have to loosen up. You loosen those out, you put the blade backed up all the way to the back there, and you're good to go. Pretty easy. It's just kind of tedious because you've got 27 of these nuts to go ahead and back off. All right, time lapse, here we go. All right, so hopefully my big head wasn't in the way the entire time. But again, on the first one, I gotta be very careful now because these suckers are sharp. On the first one, this screw right here, the little set screw down there, that's what you adjust your height. So if we had sharpened these blades or anything, I put it on there, I'm like, crap, it's way high on this side. There's something wrong. And then, we went through, did all that. You wanna make sure you get the orientation correct. So you can see the angle is kind of going away from me as this thing spins it just chomps away at stuff. But yeah, so anyways, those are all tightened up in there. Be very careful with my hand. I'm gonna throw a time lapse back on again. Put this shield here, if you will, on top, and then we're gonna run a little bit through the planer just so we can show you, in fact, she will plane wood, and we did the job properly. One of the other things, yeah, our rollers here, they're getting pretty tore up. There is some spray and some stuff you can put on here to clean these up. They're still doing okay. This thing's been around for a long, this is like a 2003, 2004 model. It's pretty old, but this thing's like a tank. Just keeps on keeping on. All right, let's put this time lapse on here, and then we'll throw a board through here at the end. You can see that she in fact does plane. And then I gotta get out into the woods and hunt the last day of the Tennessee deer season. And yesterday I saw 8 or 9 deer or something like that. It was just relaxing, just to sit out there, watch the does and everything. They never winded me, so it's very relaxing. So get this done, get out in the stand, and then head back down to Millington. All right, so we've changed out the blades. Dad's gonna go ahead and start running boards through there. And it looks to be doing pretty well. Nice big tips. Yep, looks good. I'd say that's a success. If you've ever ran a straight blade planer, they are very loud. And that's one thing we're really looking forward to in a helical head planer, is it won't be that loud. And man, do we make a big mess. We got to hook this up to a dust collector, because there's a lot of sawdust that comes off here. But all right, folks. Hopefully that was interesting or helpful to someone. But this has been a really good planer for us. We've used it for many, many years. And yeah, overall happy with how everything looks. All right, we'll see you around. Please like, subscribe.